Welcome to GRTips, a video series from GR Technology. As a leader in quoting and project creation for manufacturers, today's topic will cover a feature in Quote Express, Quote to Order. Quote to Order bridges the gap between quoting and order processing by directly linking to purchase orders in your ERP. Today we'll talk about why this function was developed, what problems it solves, and the value it brings to manufacturers. Quoting and order management often live in separate systems, which means duplicate entries and mismatched data can be frequent. Quote to Order is automatically connected to your ERP via Quote Express to give back that manual time and reduce errors across the board. Long-term agreements generally require constant monitoring, so it's easy for things to slip through the cracks. Thankfully, Quote to Order automates these cycles so any update happens hands-free. And while leadership doesn't always have visibility into whether customers followed through on commitments, the quote-to-order feature compares quoted versus actual business, making it easier to track wins and losses as well as customer performance. This allows purchase orders to be created from approved quotes with just one click, and disputes are tracked automatically with a full audit trail, giving teams confidence that every action is logged and visible when needed. Pricing updates even flow in real time between Quote Express and your ERP, keeping data consistent across both systems without manual intervention. Whether you're a high-volume Tier 1 supplier or a smaller manufacturer, Quote Express with Quote to Order scales to fit your needs and delivers value from day one. Our great platform also includes other advanced tools to help you get the most out of your ERP and business processes. Reach out to a GR Tech team member and reimagine your workday. See you on the next GR Tips!